Yo my G's, right now I'm going to run the brute force attack to the learning codes. This is the vulnerable car. So right now I'm here. I am running the HackRF killer, the tool I developed to run the brute force attack. So good, I select option number 1, I select the option number 2, I enter the chip name, in this case each edge is 2240, I select the frequency is 370 megahertz. So right now, before to run the brute force attack, we check the car is locked, okay? The car is locked, and I am going to run the brute force attack in 3, 2, 1, go. So each learning code run each 3 milliseconds, okay? So let's go to wait. Let's go to verify the brute force attack is okay. So let's go to wait a few seconds or minutes. So let's go to wait, okay? There are around 1 million possibility learning codes. So let's go to wait, okay? The tool will unlock the car. So right now the car is unlocked, okay? The car is unlocked, and the tool hacked the car. Thank you so much.